Hello guys, welcome to the weekly insights video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the euro dollar, the S&P, NVIDIA, and Microsoft, and also Bitcoin briefly. I urge you I'm recording on TradingView by the way. I urge you to subscribe to my channel on TradingView because it's going to be very helpful if you are using TradingView. For the last week on Friday, the unemployment data was released of the U.S. and that made the euro dollar go parabolic. Once the data was released and chose lower than expected numbers. Me personally, I don't see it very bad. Yet everyone is insinuating that the Fed is going to cut the rates. As a result, they took a long position for the euro dollar and against the dollar generally. I urge you also to follow the on CMA Group page the Fed Fund futures to see the expectations of interest rate cutting. Okay, from technical point of view, as I told you here, the bigger picture, the five Elliott waves, a correctional expanding diagonal. From my experience, I can tell you that most of the time when there is an expanding diagonal, the price tends to make a false breakout before it reverses. I'm not saying it's going to reverse for sure, but what I'm going to do next week that I'm going to avoid all the USD pairs because in the following month this week I'm expecting it to be very choppy up and down or not moving at all. So I'm avoiding the USD pairs as it's going to be some kind of big turbulence. The, this black line on the it's like 10 15 years trend line, so probably if the price may go touch it before it reverses, probably that's why, or it may reverse from this point. I don't know. I'm out of the USD for this week, but I'm going to wait till the following week. The next week after, like 11 days from now, when the Fed releases the new rates, and from that point I'm going to decide whether I'm going to go long or short. But the next following 11 days I'm not going to touch the USD. All right, the S&P 500. Okay, I have mentioned in a video before. I urge you to go and watch it. I have explained the S&P situation. The S&P here, you can find that it has formed since 2022 five Elliott waves with expanding diagonal. The price is still over the first moving average, the EMA here, and didn't cut it yet. But we can see that the two moving averages, simple and exponential moving average, are coming closer, and there is a small tiny trend line here. If the price breaks under the trend line, I'm going to wait for the confirmation by breaking the red line. From that point I'm going to be shorting. This is going to be definitely this is the fifth wave. Okay, for sure. So I'm going to wait whether if the fifth wave ends here or it will continue a little bit. So let's see what's going to happen. I believe it's going to be the same as the euro dollar is going to be choppy next week. All right. I received a lot of hate comments and dislikes for speaking about NVIDIA. NVIDIA has broken under the. I said few days ago. I have also a video about NVIDIA. Please go back and watch it because you're going to learn a lot from it. This is a trend line. I have spoken when the price was here. and I said that there are a few signs that the price is reversing on Nvidia. First, it has broken under the exponential moving average. Second, there is a divergence here. This is the daily chart. Let's see the weekly chart, the monthly chart. There is a huge divergence here with the stochastic oscillator. And in addition, there is here a reversing shooting star candle. This is monthly, I'm speaking. This is whole of August. So if I was to enter NVIDIA, I'm going to enter short, okay? But it's the heaviest stock on S&P. So it represents 7.5%, the heaviest one within the 500. My Meta also, this is the 15 minutes chart. There's a divergence here. Okay. Sorry, this is the daily. And you see a divergence here. This is number 4 on the list. A divergence between the stochastic. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the price has crossed under the two moving averages and retested it. This is for me a bearish sign. Once it breaks under the previous low, I'm going to go short selling. Yet I believe also it's going to be stagnant next week due to the because everyone is going to be waiting for the Fed decision. And that's it for this week. Kindly subscribe and follow me because every once in a while I by the way, I have posted many short trade videos. If I found any uh, scalping or day trading chance, I go and post it on my channel. So make sure to subscribe because you are going to learn a lot from my videos. And thank you very much.